All right, folks, let's talk about dieting and muscle. When you're cutting calories, it's easy to focus solely on the numbers on the scale, but there's a lot more to consider. If you want to achieve a healthy, sustainable weight loss, it's not just about looking ripped, it's about feeling good. A well-rounded fitness plan can boost your mood, increase your energy levels, and improve your overall well-being. Muscle burns calories even at rest. This means that the more muscle mass you have, the more calories your body will burn throughout the day, even when you're not actively working out. More muscle means a faster metabolism. A faster metabolism helps you burn more calories, making it easier to lose weight and keep it off in the long run. That's huge when you're trying to lose weight. It means you can enjoy a bit more flexibility in your diet without derailing your progress. Plus, muscle gives you strength and energy. This is essential not just for your workouts, but for your daily activities as well. You know, the stuff you need to power through workouts in everyday life. Whether it's lifting groceries, playing with your kids, or just getting through a busy day at work, muscle makes it all easier. Losing muscle can make you feel weak and tired. This can lead to a vicious cycle where you feel too exhausted to work out, which in turn makes it harder to maintain your muscle mass. Not exactly a recipe for crushing your goals. When you're constantly feeling fatigued and frustrated, it's easy to lose motivation and give up on your fitness journey. And here's the thing, building muscle takes time and effort. It's a gradual process that requires consistency, dedication, and a well-balanced diet. Losing it, that happens way too easily, especially when you're dieting. When you cut calories, your body may start to break down muscle for energy, which is the last thing you want. That's why it's crucial to protect those hard-earned gains. Incorporating strength training into your routine and ensuring you're getting enough protein can help preserve your muscle mass. We're talking about a holistic approach here. It's not just about cutting calories, it's about nourishing your body with the right nutrients and engaging in a variety of exercises. It's not just about the physical, it's about the mental game too. Staying motivated and focused is key to maintaining your muscle while dieting. So buckle up because we're diving deep into the psychology of maintaining muscle while dieting. We'll explore strategies to keep you motivated, tips for effective strength training, and how to balance your diet to support your fitness goals. Let's get started. Let's be real, dieting can be tough on your mind. You're restricting calories, changing habits, and it's easy to get frustrated. And when you start losing muscle, it can really mess with your head. You might start feeling weaker, less energetic. That can lead to self-doubt, like you're not making progress. It's a slippery slope, my friends. Suddenly that voice in your head starts getting louder. The one that says you're not good enough, you'll never reach your goals. We've all been there. But here's the thing, you're not alone. Understanding the challenges of dieting is the first step to overcoming them. We'll get to that, I promise. Stress and anxiety, those sneaky devils, can sabotage your best efforts. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol. Cortisol is a hormone that in excess can actually break down muscle tissue, and it gets worse. Stress can lead to cravings for comfort foods, the sugary, fatty stuff that packs on the pounds and undermines your muscle building efforts. It's a vicious cycle. Stress leads to bad food choices, which leads to more stress, and all the while your muscles are paying the price, but don't worry. There are ways to break free. We'll talk about managing stress and making healthier choices. Even when the going gets tough, self-doubt is a powerful thing. It can creep in and undermine your confidence, making you question your ability to succeed. But here's the truth. You are capable of amazing things. Don't let those negative thoughts take over. Challenge them. Remind yourself of your past successes. No matter how small, every step forward counts. Focus on the present moment. What can you do today to move closer to your goals? Break it down into manageable steps. Small wins lead to big victories. And remember, progress isn't always linear. There will be setbacks. The key is to learn from them, adjust your approach, and keep moving forward. We've talked about the mental game, but let's not forget about the fuel. The food you consume is just as important as your training regimen. It's the foundation that supports all your physical efforts. What you eat plays a huge role in maintaining muscle while dieting. Proper nutrition ensures that your body has the necessary resources to repair and build muscle tissue, especially when you're in a calorie deficit. First things first, protein is your best friend. It's not just for bodybuilders. Everyone needs adequate protein to support muscle maintenance and growth. It's the building block of muscle tissue and helps keep you feeling full and satisfied. Protein can come from various sources like lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy, and plant-based options such as beans and lentils. Make sure you're getting enough protein at every meal. Aim for a balanced distribution throughout the day to keep your muscles fueled and your hunger at bay. Don't be afraid of healthy fats either. These fats are not the enemy. In fact, they are vital for your overall well-being. They're essential for hormone production, which is crucial for muscle growth and overall health. Healthy fats also help in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like a D, E, K. Think avocados, nuts, olive oil, the good stuff. Incorporating these into your diet can improve your heart health and provide long-lasting energy. And of course, you need your veggies. Vegetables are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support your body's recovery and growth. They're packed with nutrients that support your body's recovery and growth. Vegetables also provide fiber, which aids in digestion and helps keep you feeling full longer. Plus, they add volume to your meals, keeping you full on fewer calories. This is particularly beneficial when you're trying to manage your weight without feeling deprived. Hydration is another key component. Water is essential for every function in your body, from muscle contractions to nutrient transport. Make sure you're drinking enough water throughout the day. Staying hydrated helps maintain your energy levels and supports your overall health. Remember, a well-rounded diet is the cornerstone of a strong and healthy body. By fueling your body with the right nutrients, you set yourself up for success in all your physical endeavors. So next time you plan your meals, think about how each component contributes to your overall health and fitness goals. Your body will thank you for it. Stay strong, stay healthy, and keep fueling your body the right way. Listen, going it alone is tough. Having a support system can make all the difference in staying motivated and on track with your goals. Surround yourself with people who understand your journey. Find a workout buddy, join an online community, or talk to a therapist who specializes in fitness and nutrition. Sharing your struggles and successes with others who get it can be incredibly empowering. It helps you stay accountable, motivated, and reminds you that you're not alone in this. And hey, don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Whether it's a pep talk from a friend or professional guidance, there's no shame in seeking support. Now, I've seen it firsthand, people transforming their bodies and minds through diet and exercise. It's truly inspiring to witness the dedication and hard work that goes into these transformations. These individuals often start with a simple goal, but through perseverance and commitment, they achieve remarkable results. And let me tell you, the ones who succeed aren't superhuman, they're just committed. They show up every day, even when it's tough and they push through the challenges. It's not about having extraordinary abilities. It's about having an unwavering determination to reach their goals. I've had guests on my podcast who've shared incredible stories of overcoming adversity and achieving their fitness goals. These stories are not just about physical transformations, but also about mental and emotional growth. They talk about the struggles they faced, the setbacks they encountered, and how they overcame them. They've taught me that anything is possible with the right mindset and approach. It's about believing in yourself and staying focused on your goals, no matter how difficult the journey may seem. These stories serve as a reminder that we all have the potential to achieve greatness if we are willing to put in the effort. One guy, a former athlete, struggled with weight gain and depression after an injury. He felt lost and unsure of how to get back on track, but he didn't give up. He sought help, educated himself about nutrition and fitness, and slowly started to rebuild his strength and confidence. He turned his life around by focusing on his nutrition, lifting weights, and surrounding himself with supportive people. He found a community that encouraged him and kept him accountable. This support system played a crucial role in his recovery and success. Another guest, a busy mom of 3, thought she didn't have time for fitness. Her days were filled with taking care of her children, managing household chores, and working. Fitness seemed like an impossible task to fit into her already hectic schedule. She started small, making gradual changes to her diet and incorporating short workouts into her day. The results were amazing. She found that even small, consistent efforts can lead to significant improvements. She became more energetic, felt better about herself, and was able to be more present for her family. These stories highlight the importance of consistency, support, and a positive mindset. Whether it's a former athlete overcoming injury or a busy mom finding time for fitness, the common thread is their determination and resilience. They show us that no matter where we start with the right approach, we can achieve our fitness goals and maintain muscle. So if you're feeling discouraged or unsure about your fitness journey, remember these stories. They are proof that real people, just like you, have faced similar challenges and come out stronger on the other side. Take inspiration from their journeys and know that you too can achieve your fitness goals with dedication and the right mindset. Set your goals, make a plan, and take it one step at a time. Surround yourself with supportive people, stay committed, and believe in your ability to succeed. Your story of success in maintaining muscle is waiting to be written. Here's the thing, folks, true health is about more than just physical appearance. It's about feeling good mentally and emotionally too. Don't push yourself to the point of burnout. Listen to your body and give yourself rest when you need it. Recovery is just as important as training, and remember, your mental health matters. If you're struggling with stress, anxiety, or self-doubt, don't hesitate to seek professional help. There's no shame in taking care of your mental well-being. It's all about finding a balance. Challenge yourself physically, but also prioritize your mental and emotional health. When you feel good on the inside, it shows on the outside. Key takeaways for maintaining muscle while dieting. All right, let's recap. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the importance of muscle to the mental challenges of dieting. Remember, maintaining muscle while dieting is about more than just calories in, calories out. It's about understanding the connection between your mind and body. Fuel your body with the right nutrients, prioritize protein, healthy fats, and veggies. Manage stress through exercise, meditation, or whatever works for you. Surround yourself with a supportive community, people who lift you up and inspire you to be your best.
Looking for high-quality supplements backed by Dr. Andrew Huberman himself? Check out the links in the description below and subscribe and hit the bell icon if you've learned anything new or anything of value.